Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video and today we are making kiwi lemonade. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. With these lemons and kiwis with some sugar and water, we are going to create the most refreshing lemonade that will keep you cool and hydrated on a sunny day. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. We started off by peeling our kiwi, diced it nicely and pour it into our blender. We juiced our lemon and also poured it into the blender and added our sugar and water. You can use simple syrup if you don't want to use sugar, and then we blended it. After blending, we strained it. Straining is optional, so you can decide to omit this process, and then after straining we are done. You see how simple this recipe is. Guys, on this channel we don't just teach you how to make the recipe, but we also teach you how to serve. So once you are done straining, you can refrigerate your lemonade, or in your serving glass add some ice cube, kiwi slices, add your kiwi lemonade and garnish with some mint leaf or lemon slice. Just look at how beautiful this looks. It's so refreshing and it tastes so good. It's sweet and sour. If you want some alcohol, you can definitely throw in some vodka and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscription button. It's totally free, and don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, and let us know if you'll be trying this recipe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.